Bro, okay, so I'm in the freaking DFW airport and they have this third-party vending machine, but like these prices are horrible, dude. Bro, $54. This is so insane to me. $2.50 for a Japanese Team Rocket booster box. Like, $15 for a perfect order pack? What sort of madness is this? And even top loaders and sleeves are overpriced. Should I do it for the plot line? Should I buy a fucking $30 pack? I'm kind of itching, bro. I kind of could go for a fucking pack, man. I haven't opened a pack in a couple days, man. Fuck. But, yeah, we're literally at the fucking airport.